In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to draft and send an email right from a task so everything stays organized in one place. This approach keeps your communication tied to the work it's about, which is great for tracking decisions, follow-ups, and outcomes without jumping between tools. First, open ClickUp and head to the space where you're working. Think of a space as the highest level container for your projects and lists. Choosing the correct space helps you find the right tasks quickly and keeps your communications where your team expects them. Whether you're using list view, board view, or any other view, the process is the same. Next, find and open the specific task you want to email from. This is important because the email you compose will live inside this task's activity, keeping the full conversation and any replies right alongside the related subtasks, attachments, and due dates. If you manage multiple tasks with similar names, double check you've opened the correct one before you write. Inside the task, look at the activity composer near the bottom. You'll see a drop-down that usually defaults to comment. Click that drop-down and switch it from comment to email. Then select email. This tells ClickUp you're composing a message to an external recipient instead of leaving an internal note. You'll notice the composer changes to show fields like to, subject, and the main message body, so you know you're in email mode. Now write your email. Add your recipient in the to field, adjust CC or BCC if needed, and craft a clear subject line that references the task or deliverable so it's instantly recognizable. In the message body, be concise but complete. Summarize the context from the task, state what you need or what's been completed, and include any relevant dates or links stored in the task. Use formatting sparingly for readability. If attachments are supported in your setup, add the necessary files directly so everything the recipient needs is included. Before finishing up, proofread, confirm the right recipients are listed, and make sure the message says exactly what the task status implies. Once delivered, the conversation thread will live in the task's activity, making it simple to review or hand off later. If you don't see the email option in the dropdown, your workspace might require the email feature to be enabled or an email account to be connected. Check your settings or ask your workspace admin. That's it. Navigate to the correct space, open the right task, switch from comment to email, and compose your message with clear context. Keeping emails inside tasks turns scattered communication into a tidy, trackable workflow.